Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JMN 24th February 2021 Shift 1 question number 6. If p plus q is equal to 2 and p to the power 4 plus q to the power 4 is equal to 272, then a quadratic equation whose roots are p and q is 4 options are given. This is the equation. This is the question in the house of quadratic equation, and it's a memory based question. So given that p plus q is equal to 2 and p to the power 4 plus q to the power 4 is equal to 272. So p to the power 4 plus q to the power 4 is equal to 272. So now factorize this. So we get p square plus q square, if you take, that is equal to p plus q whole square minus 2pq, as p plus q is given here and we should calculate pq just because then we made an equation whose roots are p and q. So p plus q is given here, it is 2, so it is 4 minus 2 pq. Now squaring both sides, p square plus q square whole square, and squaring this we get p square plus p to the power 4 plus q to the power 4 minus 2 p square q square. If squaring this, here we get this, so we know the value, this is equal to 4 minus 2 pq. So pq whole square is equal to 272 minus 2 p square q square. Now squaring this, it is 16 minus plus, now is 4 p square q square minus 16 pq, that is equal to 272 minus 2 p square q square. That implies 6 p square q square minus 16 pq minus 256 is equal to 0. So after solving this, it is a pq quadratic equation. So after solving this, we get pq is equal to firstly 16 and then it is minus 8. So pq, we know the value of pq and p plus q. So the equation is, therefore the equation whose roots are p and q is either x square minus 2x plus 16 or the equation is x square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. So let's check the option, and our option x square minus 2x plus 16 is given here. So option 1 is our correct choice, as this is not available in the option. So option 1 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution of question 6. Now moving to question 7. Tangent at the point t comma t cube on the curve y is equal to x cube meet the curve again at the point q. If the point of pq divides it is internally in the ratio 1:2, then the coordinate of the point. So it is the question in the house of coordinate geometry. So at first a point P is given, that is t comma t cube, and meet the curve on the curve y is equal to x cube, meet the curve again at the point q. So let's q is ratio q is t1 comma, as because q is also on the curve, so it is t1 comma t1 cube. Now this is on the curve y is equal to x cube, so it satisfied also. If we differentiate, so it become y dash is equal to 3x square. Now slope of tangent at the point P is equal to 3t square is equal to t1 cube minus t cube divide t1 minus t, then that is equal to t1 minus t into t1 square plus t1t plus t square divide t1 minus t. So t1 and t is cancelled, t1 minus t is cancelled off, so here we get t1 square plus t1t plus t square. So calculating this we get t1 is equal to minus 2t. Now let's see the point. This is the line, it is P and Q, and it's divide 1:2 ratio internally. So if we divide internally, so x-axis, it is on the x-axis, so x-axis is 0 here, and it is minus now the point, if t1 is equal to 2t, so q become minus 2t, comma minus 8t cube. So now it is 2t cube minus 8 cube minus 2t cube, so it is 6t cube divide 3. Now 0 comma, it becomes minus 2t cube. So the coordinate of the point is 0 comma minus 2 cube. So it is our required answer, and our option 1 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution of question 7. Now this is the two solutions of question 6 and question 7. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.